1-3 apart.
1-3 apart.
Hi, T! Grabe, vlog to, ayusin mo, mga sasabihin. Ang pangit! Nakakainis!
Vlog namin!
A few moments later.
Oh, kindly introduce yourself.
I'm Angelica Jewel Manalo.
And say something else.
And I'm looking at the
Nagtatay po si Mika.
Okay, just wait a minute. I'll be back with you. So, pawak nga muna ako, Ben. Okay. Guys, kindly introduce yourself one by one.
Paano introduce?
Who are you? Your name and all.
Nakakabobo eh. Hi, I am Noel.
Yeah, and you're from group
3.
Yeah, and how are you right now?
Nilalamig, kahit naka-jacket. Kasi sobrang lamig nung panahon.
Okay. Next, so we have a very busy person here. So,
Hi, I'm Cassie from Group 3.
yeah, and how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great.
Great. Okay, and then we have
Magandang gabi. I am the Kapuso It Girl, Gabby
Oh.
Garcia. At yung
Okay.
buhok ko hindi maganda.
How are you feeling right now?
I am feeling what I'm feeling right now.
Oh, okay, fine. No words. So, who are you? Introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Maria Makiling.
Okay. How is Maria feeling right now?
I'm feeling very rainy right now. Look at the paligid and then you see very
So, when po kami pwedeng mag-hiking sa inyo?
kapag siguro nakaihi na ako kasi
Sa Makiling ba?
Opo.
Ano? May gumigili.
ay wala. Kasi ano eh, parang inano ko na yun, binan ko na yun.
Sabi na
okay,
Tapos parang
okay.
mabasa sa Makiling.
Kaya nga, kasi
Parang
mo, ngayon
umuulan.
umuulan na sis.
Yes, so we will be back with you in few
Yes.
moments. Let's go to our other groupmates. Yo, guys! How are you feeling right now? Natok, ikaw. Same. So, ito po yung lovebird na, by the way. Yeah. Hi. Ano, may kasya. Oh, ito. Kilala niyo yung sarili yung sakit. May sakit patient na tayo dito. Okay, Marian mo.
Patient mo.
Patient mo. Oh. Who are you? Introduce yourself.
Ako po si Mariel Angelina, ang manya ng station.
How are you feeling right now? Okay. Dito. Dito. Oh, ito na. Ituloy mo na.
Hey guys, it's raining. It's raining and gulit bro. Gulit.
Oh, yan. Ituloy mo na.
Sobrang random. Sobrang random talaga ng babaeng to.
May parang feeling mo lang tayo. Pero makikis mo. Pag kung kailan maglalig kami, ganda yung panahon.
O yung, ang pangit ng weather guys. It's so pangit. Look. It's raining. It's been raining in Manila. Hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Guys,